What else has sugar in it? Your eldest son.
Do you have sugar in you?
Sweet.
Shut up. Shut up. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. We had a little hiatus last week, so we're catching up this week.
UFC 300.
UFC 300 was in play.
Prepping for that.
We were prepping for that, which was great. I don't know if anybody else is into UFC as much as I am. I am the mother of 3 boys, and I am a total boy mom. And it was just a great, the prelims, what are you laughing at?
So Dan, you used to be a boy?
Shut up. So today, I'm dealing with the producer again. So today I am making Keto Smash Burgers. And we're all trying to get healthy in this house. So I have all these different things out here because I live with 2 of my sons. And my producer's son, who is the oldest, will come over occasionally for dinner. So he's going to be here tonight. This is his plate. No bun toasted. Nothing frills, no salad, nothing. That's how plain Jane he is. So don't make this mistake with your kids.
I think you're supposed to shame people online.
I'm not shaming you personally. This is the keto buns that I'm using, and I try to find the least expensive keto items because keto can be really expensive. And these were like $3.50 at Walmart. So what I'm going to do, what I have here is I have a tablespoon of Montreal steak seasoning and a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and that's what I'm seasoning the meat with. And I have a pound and a half of extra lean ground beef. I put all this ingredients that I'm going to use today in my carb counter so I could give you the proper count of carbs. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to roll it into balls to place.
It's your favorite thing to do.
Shut up. On
Put it in your hands.
my on my grill right here, I have just some olive oil. I toasted the buns with a little bit of butter and olive oil on that same grill. So it's a no pan recipe that I'm working with here. And I'm going to do a couple of different things which can show you how you can make something for everybody in the house all at the same time. So I'm going to place these on here and I'm going to smash them down, cook them, obviously. But one of my sons, Eric, the middle one, likes grilled onions on his, so we're going to do that too. But
I smash some balls.
I'm smashing balls. You want the grill to be hot, or whatever you're cooking on to be hot, so that they get that little crisp on them, So this is making 6 so far. So that you get about 8 out of that, unless you want like a huge ass.
Language.
I can use that language.
We don't swear on this channel. We don't swear on this
I'm going to leave them like this so I can spread them out a little bit.
Spread those balls.
Yeah, so I'm going to let it crisp for a second, and then this is the first one I put on. So I'm just going to smash it down. Show you smash them down. My friend Monica just sent me a text that she's trying something with like a chicken crust. I don't know. She told me she's going to try it and see how it comes out. It's a keto dish for a pizza, and the chicken is the crust. And I'm like, oh, okay, let me know how that goes. And so I'm going to let these cook down for a few minutes. When I come back, I'm going to flip them. I'm going to put the grilled onions on Eric. Add some pepper jack cheese is what I have. And like I said, I put all these ingredients. My burger is going to be the bun, pepper jack cheese, thin slice of red onion, lettuce, chunky blue cheese, and that's what I'm going to put on my burger. The boys can put on whatever they want, and I'm just going to have a small salad with mine. And like I said, I always will try to put the net carbs, and I put it in my carb manager to give you guys the exact number. So we will be right back when I'm ready to flip the burgers. Okay, that was very quick. I flipped the first 4, and I'm flipping Eric's. I'm just showing you that in order to grill the onions, you just place them right on there and flip them with them on the, on the burger. I know, I try to maneuver it. Look how, see the little crisp on there? These are so good. And it's so nice to be able to cook like summery stuff now. Not that it ever stopped me before because of the weather. But I want this burger to be covered. Okay, so I'm just going to add the cheese. I'm sorry, they're playing a video game upstairs if you heard any background noise. Idiots.
How old are they?
25 and 26. And like I said, we're using pepper jack cheese. Where did I put that cheese? I only took out 4 slices like an idiot. And when I did the count, when I did the carb count with the buns, your hamburger is 5 grams of 5 net carbs, which is so good. So see, once these are melted, I think I'll make mine, because I'm going to make mine with the blue cheese and do the taste test kind of thing. And I measured out my burger, because they'll put ketchup and stuff on it, and ketchup is not keto friendly.
Ketchup?
Yeah.
What's ketchup?
Sugar. It's got sugar in it. So it's not keto friendly.
You know what else has sugar in it? Your other stuff.
You have sugar in you?
Sweet.
Shut up. And that's it, really. I mean, how long do these cook for, Bill? A total of like what?
2 minutes maybe? Like that?
Well, 3 minutes on one side, and then this will be another 3 minutes.
Yeah, like an hour and a half.
No. An hour and a half. No. So, I gotta prep those. So let's just finish up this episode so that I can eat mine and they can have theirs while it's hot. I'm just gonna put a tomato. I don't want that big piece of lettuce. And you could even make this less if you take the bun off and just make it protein style. Look at that. And these buns, you can't even taste the difference. So I'm gonna take a big bite. So there you go. That was an easy peasy episode. Smash burgers. I'm just gonna list the ingredients, which is so simple. 1.5 pounds of ground beef makes more than, it's probably gonna make 8 burgers. You can make them bigger if you want, but thank you for joining us. Don't forget to check out Press Conference, In the Clinch, and Go Knights Go. They made it into the playoffs. Thank you for joining me, and enjoy your burgers.